In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix OBS Studio crashing on Windows 11 or Windows 10, step by step, starting from the most common causes to the least likely ones. OBS crashing can happen during startup, while recording, or when you hit the stream button, and it's incredibly frustrating, especially if you're trying to create content or go live. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix OBS crashes in just a few minutes by adjusting a few Windows and OBS settings. Make sure to watch this video all the way through so you don't miss any important fixes. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more OBS and PC troubleshooting tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you should try is running OBS as an administrator. Permission issues are one of the most common reasons OBS crashes, especially on newer versions of Windows. To do this, close OBS completely if it's open. Then right-click on your OBS Studio shortcut and click on Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab, and here you'll see an option that says Run this program as an administrator. Check that box, click Apply, and then click OK. Now try opening OBS again and see if the crashing issue is resolved. If OBS is still crashing, move on to the next step. The second fix is to disable Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling, also known as hags. This Windows feature can cause instability with OBS, particularly when recording or streaming using hardware encoders. To disable it, open Windows Settings, then go to System, click on Display, and scroll down to Graphics. From there, click on Change Default Graphics Settings. You'll see an option called Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. Toggle this setting to off. Once you've turned it off, restart your PC to make sure the change takes effect. After restarting, open OBS again and check if it's still crashing. In many cases, this step alone fixes OBS crashes completely. If the issue persists, the next thing you should do is update your graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted GPU drivers are one of the #1 causes of OBS crashes, especially errors related to nvenc or display capture. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience and check for driver updates. For AMD users, open AMD software and do the same. If you're on a laptop or pre-built PC, you can also check your manufacturer's website for the latest graphics drivers. After updating your drivers, restart your computer and test OBS again. Now, if OBS started crashing after you updated OBS itself or installed a new plugin, then a problematic plugin is very likely the cause. To test this, press Windows key and R, type %appdata% and press Enter. Open the OBS Studio folder, then open the Plugins folder. Here, you'll see all installed OBS plugins. Temporarily move all plugins to a different folder on your desktop. Don't delete them yet. Once the plugins are removed, try launching OBS. If OBS opens without crashing, then one of those plugins is incompatible or outdated. You can add them back one by one to identify which plugin is causing the crash. Finally, if OBS is still crashing and you're not sure why, you need to check the crash log. The crash log tells you exactly what failed and can point directly to the cause. If you can open OBS, click on Help, then Crash Reports, and then View Crash Reports. Open the most recent report and look for error messages or failed modules. If OBS won't open at all, go to %appdata%, open OBS Studio, and then open the Crashes folder. Inside, you'll find detailed crash logs you can review or share for further troubleshooting. And that's it. By following these steps in order, you should be able to fix OBS Studio crashing on Windows 11 or Windows 10 in most situations. If this video helped you fix your OBS crashes, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more OBS tutorials, streaming tips, and PC fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.